This tutorial is on how to use forum in the system. First log in to the system. Next access to projects that is in calling tender, closed tender or post-contract stage. Open project. Next, go to forum. Click Start a new topic. Key in the topic title and post. For attachments, click Add Files. Click Start Upload. Once finalized, click Save. Currently, this forum is a private topic, which means it is only visible by the project team. To allow the tenderers to view, go to Actions and tick Public Topic. This will enable the tenderers to view this forum. You can also notify this post to the project team. Click Notify. For the selected users, tick at the checkbox. Then click Send. You can also add a comment to the forum post. This applies to other users as well. Additional attachments can be attached in the comment too.